Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create tasks from the cell order screen and how to link with cell order. You can see here our module Dev task from cell. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to cells, go to any orders like a 22 number and see here this button create task. Now click on create your task like a task for cell. Select project like office design and write here description about cell description. Now click on this create task. So see here your task is created. Task for cell. Selected project is office design. Assign mark demo and linked with 22 number of orders and display here description about cell description. Thank you.